sneak peek into Vanish mode on Instagram. You might have heard the phrase, "the internet never forgets." And indeed, the internet never forgets because your every click, tap, and search is recorded in the databases of the search engine, browser, or app you're using. Well, that phrase no more fits to the Instagram chats with its Vanish mode, which enables users to enjoy temporary chats as the chats gets erased automatically once you leave the chat box. Like the updates of every social media app that frequently keeps coming to introduce new features, new changes, and enhanced user experience, Instagram launched its Vanish mode in 2020. Here's when to use Vanish mode on Instagram. Instagram's Vanish mode enables users to make the messages delete automatically right after the user leaves a chat or turns the Vanish mode off. To put it simply, the messages are self-destructive, and the users don't need to manually put any effort to delete them. Users can best utilize and benefit from this feature in such a condition where they're having a sensitive or private discussion with someone, or if the user thinks that keeping those messages may bring repercussions. The feature is somewhat similar to WhatsApp's automatic message disappearance feature. The only difference for which Instagram's Vanish mode stands out is that it automatically deletes chat when Vanish mode is enabled. On the other hand, in WhatsApp, users need to set a time duration for the messages to be automatically deleted. A lot of people confuse this Vanish mode for being the same as Instagram's Unsend Messages feature. Instagram's Unsend Messages feature makes you individually select and unsend the messages you wish to delete from both ends, yours and your chat partners.